kukhona leli kushoko eBhayibheli kuthi kutawendeka uyabona la sekususwe libandla kwasuswa labakholwako khona kutawusale kwendeka labatawusala emhlabeni ukuthi abamadima kakhulu wena lwela kusungabi kule ngcile etawusala ngiko asilo mhlabeni mangabikho osalayo mhlaba ngcwele beyobe wena lwela ukuthi ungasali uNkulunkulu akashongo ukuthi makakhuluma ngedominion ukuthi bantu ababe nedominion eduke abantu but wasi bantu ababe nedominion etilwaneni bane dominion elwandle bane dominion in the earth inyoni into asesibha akashongo ukuthi bantu ababe nedominion kubantu because bantu wababeke esigabeni sinye uyabona into le but this person noma ke labantu labafika kulesigaba sekuba very very wicked ukhanze nje ukuthi nawuthi ungena ngemoto yakho zwelakhe asengisisho ekhayini kuyacala kuba nemoto hathi makhelwane wethu imhlolo yethu na sitake simbone nangabe kuexesele lilaka kufuna ligcine liphumile yonke imisebenzi yenyama kufuna iphume ibulawe ngamoya sikulowo mkhankaso njengebazalwane that is why ngithi we are not perfect but we are being perfected day by day we are being perfected there is an earthly influence there is a sensual influence senses influence yema senses then there is a devilish influence ekuse ubonile nekuse ubonile sinqomo simavusa impilo yakhe ngile ibase lapho simavusa kuse awukwenteke no yewena kule stripper lapha impilo yakhe lapho he sees wakubona he pursues it based on what Christ did at Calvary asame sabi Satan so Mongcwele is doing that ministry to give us the power to overcome the evil one ngiko phela abantu now asambe sonfeni hayi namhla ngitifa his life is around senses uswale bo South Africa kunaloko bafana lababhema na indlu ekuthiwa inyawobe noma ewunga that thing bathi yakhiwa ngema ARVs wahlanganisela lamanye amaphilisi kuthiwa ke baze bafike emathuneni bagubhe bafune amathambo la samhlophe bathathe lamathambo laphushukile bayahlanganise bese bayakubhema lendlu mabakubhema ukhanza umuntu eme ngasi stage 20 bathi mathi kushayile dikushaya 24 hours akuhlaphuki for 24 hours uma ubuke nzawonye ngasufile ukuthi makuphela lapho le crave yako ungenda noma ngabe yini kulongafuni nemali yakhe la lo ngafuni elicingo lakhe ukuthi ulithathe wena ulithi angenda ungamenda noma ngabe yini we must talk about the end times lesikhathi lesiya kudo bazalwane wena ucabanga ukuthi hayi sitawuphinze kwenza icorona bese kuba mnanzi kubila kuba ngcono no liBhayibheli likhombisa ukuthi lela siyakhona akuye ebungconweni lo mhlaba nje ubamba umgubudla munye uya to the end yabo la uyakhona to the end thine lesiphila impilo yakamoya sine sikhola sine understanding let's masifika ekugcineni inyama isala noma kukhala icilongo umphefumulo noma umoya uyaqhubeka kuyempilo impilo lamhlabeni ithi nokonke kuphelela la enjoy ungasali phakama besuka lapha edule ngeke nje uhambe nje at all uyabona so lokuthi yena athi unganyibi ukhulumela lokuthi ukholwe bese uyasala so lempilo yethu ayibengilehlobe ifike esigabeni lapho khona kusinaka buya Jesu noma nini simkhathile